Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a dot and column chart using native visual in Power BI. You don't need to use a custom chart. So first of all, let me show you my data, which is a simple data set, category, actual and target. Then back to the report view. So I'll open a new page, select my chart, which is a line and cluster column chart, expand it, then expand my data, drag the category to the x-axis, the actual to the column y-axis, and the target to the line y-axis, as you can see. So initially you have this. So next thing is for me to format it in order to turn it to a dot and column chart. So I'll click on the format your visual, go down to markers, turn on my marker. Here you have different markers shape. You can expand that, but in this case, since we need a dot and column chart, we are selecting the dot. Then here I will increase the size of my marker because I want it a bit bigger than what it is. The next thing is to go to the lines, then remove the width, reduce the width to 0. So right now we have the dot and the column. You can see that. And I achieved this using just a native visual in Power BI, the line and column chart. Then you can format to your taste. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more.